I'm gonna put the seat in. Oh, it's a tight fit. Tight. Okay, buddy. Okay. Let's get it in there. Okay, guys. Okay. Woo. Okay. A little at a time, eh? Woo! Look at that, guys. I already got the holes all carpet cut for the holes for the seat there. But I mean, woo! Wow. Man, I'll tell you, this thing's coming to an end. Pretty soon. Pretty soon. So I'm gonna start trying to get some bolts in here, I guess. I'm just gonna get all the bolts in before I Loctite everything. Holy cow. Oh, I'm already winded. I haven't even done anything. It means it's time to lose some weight. That's what that means. Alright, it's right here. It's right here. Oh, I got... Which one can I put that into? Is it this one? Let's see. Come on. Of course, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, it's getting close to going for a test drive here. I'm gonna test drive the shit out of this thing. You guys are a hard bunch, man. Hard bunch. Yeah, just trying to come on. See the holes under here? Yeah. I gotta see if I can. Hopefully the brackets aren't bent. Oh, it lines up. Okay. Oh, does it? Yeah. Nope. Yeah. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I got that. Wow. Woo! Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Now, yeah, there's two screws that go on the back side here after for this trim. Hopefully, I better go get one and just see if I'm able to put, see, this whole big piece goes on the side here. The front one, no problem. I just want to make sure I can get to the back of these screws here. Now, where was this? Right here? Nope. I gotta pause you for a second here. Ah, yeah. Well, I got the bolt started in the front there, but now just realized the seat doesn't go forward and backwards. The cable's obviously not attached. So there's enough tension there to pull both sides at the same time. And now my dog's barking. Why is my dog barking? No, nobody there. Nobody there. Anyways, so that's the problem I'm dealing with now. Trying to get, now I gotta take the bolts out, tip the seat over, and I'm just gonna try and do it in here, I guess. All right then. Yeah, see this wire, I'm pretty sure is supposed to be hooked up in here somewhere. I don't know where it was because I didn't take it apart, so don't blame me. So now I gotta just try and put a little more tension in it. I'm just gonna use some of this I've got some hog ties somewhere, but I don't know. I don't feel like looking for them right now. I don't know where they are, if you know what I mean. We just do it like this with some hay wire. Good enough. Like that. Bring that up a little closer. This side too. I'm not an expert. Cut some of that off. I'm just kind of going by what makes sense here. See? I really don't like the way this is, because this is that can't be right. Yeah, there's no way that goes there. That was probably here, and the idiot pulled it here on the spring so that the, you know, so the bottom of the spring moves here. What a bunch of dipshits. You guys on pause here till I find this. Oh, yeah. It was on the floor in the back, and I'm looking all over the shop. See? I set it down. See, that's old age. That's what that is. Anyways, it looks like, see, looks like there was something up here, like some type of a bracket here. But like I said, I don't know, because I didn't take it apart. So watch for the fireworks here within the next week or so. Just watch. You'll probably be able to see the fireworks here from like Florida. Boy, I tell you, this is obviously it's pretty finicky. Oh, that side's moving. Oh, there we go. What's happening here? Oh, okay. Well, now it's working. What's going on here? Oh, I don't know. Might need. I think part of the problem is, I think I might need two people. You know, just to get some even pressure on it when I'm trying to move it here, because you know what I mean? Well, it's working now. Okay, see? Okay. Yeah, it's working. Okay, hold on. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. Ah, for Pete's sake. All right. Let's go for a ride, baby. All right, well, that works. Thank God. Wow. Thank God. You know what I'm saying? I'm running out of patience. Yeah, it's not quite smooth, but I think there's still some sand in there from when, because it's been sand. The frame was blasted, hey, and I think it might take a little bit of wearing in. You know what I mean? So, all right, so that part's done. I'm not gonna solid mount anything totally yet. I want to get the backs in. and get those properly secured. And I think once you add more weight to this seat too, I think it's going to pull a little better front to back. You won't have to jerk it so hard. That sounds weird. All right, guys, I'm going to get on to that, and then we'll be back shortly. Well, again, I don't have some stuff that I need. Like usual, I got to go get some more supplies. I need some of these, and these are too big. Of course, I don't have the right size. You know, everything I have does not the right thing. I don't know. See, like this, because this is what's going to hold the seat on here, hey? As you can see. But this one is a little bit too big. Oh, what the hell here? No, yeah, it is too big. A little bit too big, this one. And I'm pretty sure there's one on the inside of the seat too. No, that one locks in. It's got this weird thing. You got to pivot it, and then it goes in, and then it's locked. So this is what holds it on, basically, right here. That's all that holds the seat on. But I guess once the seat's latched here, you know, you probably don't even really need this. But, yeah. So now I need that. It's always something, man. Always something. All right, then. So I'm going to go ahead anyways. I'm going to put those on. Let's see here. But I got it on. The seat's working. And so I'm going to get the backs here. Get that on. And then at least those will be out of the way off the floor. And then I can just go click that in place. And done deal. Hopefully my supplier has one that's the right size. Hey guys, so finally got the interior. So we'll be back in a bit here. I think I'm done. Except for, I got to put the door switch in. Well, I've got another used one today. I'm going to put it in and see if everything works how it's supposed to. I think that's pretty much, hopefully, the last thing I got to deal with. The seats are in. It's all bolted down and Loctited. And the windshield is in. Wow. Oh, let's see. Got to put the rear view mirror on now. Get that done. I finished the trim around that panel there in the dash. This one here, all the chrome stuff. I still got a little bit to do here though in a couple places. But man, yeah. And then I'm waiting for the carpet still for here. Obviously it has to be detailed. Here we go again with the yawning, man. I don't understand this. Anyways, yeah. So the interior is, I'm gonna say 99%. Got all the trim is on there. You can see a little dust there. I got a lot of detailing gonna have to happen here. But it's all together, and windshield is on, and now I can, like I say, I got all my clips are all done. So tomorrow this will be hard, and then I can stick those moldings on there. I got that big band here of stainless that goes on here. Get that on there. Get the wipers on here. Wow. We're really cooking now, boy. So there it is, guys. I mean, look how good that looks. Hey? So we're pretty much there. I mean, there's still little things to do yet, but really my list is down to, like, I went around this morning and I did a bunch of stuff underneath still. Like just making sure the fuel lines are all tight and nothing's rubbing, and you know, just making sure everything's tidy and everything is secured and not going to have any fire hazards down the road. You know what I mean? I don't want no fuel lines leaking and stuff like that. So, and so yeah, so what I got is the front seat belts here. I still got to do heat wrap for the fuel line and tranny lines. So I got to pick some of that up. I don't have any. I got the carpets to do on the doors. I'm still waiting for one molding for the fender. And if I can't get it, I guess I'm going to have to cut and weld and shorten the one that I have and stuff like that, which, you know, just be easier if I could get one. Cowl trim, that'll be tomorrow. Well, I can need a couple nuts for the exhaust. They're kind of an oddball M10 by 1. Oh yeah, I need the little knobs here for the locks right here. Up and down. And inspection cover. I just got that today, so I'm going to clean it up and see. It looks like it's the right one, so I'm going to check that out. And that's all that's on this list. I'm sure there'll be a couple other little things, you know, like, well, I got to get the moldings on here, you know, stuff like that. And man, oh man, I don't even know. I'm kind of pretty much out of stuff now, but look how good it looks with the wheels and everything else. It's amazing. So there it is, guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show the interior was done. I was just doing a video on the installing the seats and stuff like that, and it is really comfortable in there, that's for sure. So there's another big part of the car, and now I can just kind of finalize a few little details and do a huge cleanup and a detail on it. That'll probably be next week because I'm waiting for the carpet. I don't want to do anything until it's pretty much, well, till everything is completely assembled, and then once I detail it, then I can leave. I don't want it getting dusty again in the shop here, kind of thing. So, alright guys, I'll do another final video on this, and I'll kind of go around and do another little final video here before the car leaves. Alright guys, so and if you like any of the videos there, don't be shy. Share, like, and subscribe, eh? Alright guys, talk to you later.